What's going on, you guys? jacobrdoty here, back from our vlog, and today we're starting off over at my buddy's new shop. Actually, a couple of my buddies. That's their buddy Devon's car. He's got a wide body bag Genesis, and then you'll see John's nice E92 there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull into one of these spots, and there's Nora's car. So yeah, they got a couple builds going on right now. All right, they need a nice little sign because I don't know which one this is. Hopefully it's them.
Welcome. Welcome.
Ooh, this guy.
How are you?
What's going on, dude?
Filming something.
Dude, this looks like a casting.
I was filming something earlier.
Straight up looks like a casting couch in here.
I was filming something last night. Don't worry about it.
Dang, this is plenty of room, dude. Nice lights, skylights. Wait, it's got more? Oh, dude, this is a nice area. Yeah. Yeah. It has plenty of light at night too?
Yeah.
Dang, you brought in a machinery here. You got a workstation. Does that feel good?
Yeah.
To have it yourself? Well, I mean shared, but this is sick.
Yeah.
Dude, this is awesome. Congrats. Nora's not here to say it to him, but whatever. He's probably in class. Dweeb. Got alumni right here. I don't have to deal with that. Let's see how this shop works. Yeah, he doesn't know how to drive it.
There's an extra pedal.
What do you do with that? You might have to scoot it up. I'm pretty tall. Got Mama Bear's car going under the knife. She's gonna get the Roush side skirts, if you guys can't tell by the title. So she's gonna get the Roush side skirts on there, and it'll look a lot better. I gotta say, a Mustang looks a lot better in the shop than BMWs. The seats fold down, baby. You gotta push the front. Oh, he got it.
Whoa. Still.
Yeah, it's super long.
You wanna get that over there?
Dude, this is this is a daily drivable car. These are the rear ones. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, this thing fits it.
Alright. Alright, they're installed. It's good.
Boom.
That box shape.
And now it looks like it's aired out. Let's install these. Installed.
Put a sticker on it, we're good.
We're good to go.
In the air.
Yeah, let's put it up on the lift.
Let's put it up on the lift.
Coming soon, coming soon. So now we're gonna start into the actual install. We have the Roush parts already unboxed, and we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. Kind of a tutorial. cjponyparts has a video that we're actually gonna follow. It looks pretty simple, but we're just gonna hop into it. I think this is gonna make a pretty big difference because Mom has the Roush kit all the way around the car. So let me show you guys that. She's got the front lip, which I made a video on, link up there if you guys wanna watch that. This thing is OEM Plus. This whole car is basically OEM Plus, which is something I really enjoy. It just makes it nice and clean. Again, this is kind of her daily. She has a daily, but she drives this thing on all types of roads, so we don't want to make it super low. She's also got the Roush rear diffuser with the Roush, I guess that's dual exhaust, but it looks like quad exhaust, which is kind of rare to have the square tips. Not everybody loves that, but it looks really good. I got my buddy John at Fitted Racing. He's the one that did all of my front splitters and everything like that. We're gonna go ahead, hop into it. He knows exactly what to do. We followed that video, and it should be pretty freaking simple. So let's get into it. Look, it has these factory push pins that you'll put in right here. We actually have to take them out of the factory one right now using some needle nose. And then we're gonna pretty much prep this thing for the 3M tape, which as you see will go in this little groove. We'll put in these push pins, and basically we'll just make it really simple for you guys and show you guys what you gotta do. Under here, hopefully you guys can kind of see that there's these empty blocks. That's gonna be where you're gonna pull the push pins from, Don't worry about messing them up because Roush does supply new ones. The big thing here is just get them out in one piece, hopefully. We're gonna go ahead and hop on that, and then the tools required, just needle nose and this little pry tool, and that should pretty much get you. All right, what are we looking like?
Okay, so you get this tool.
Okay.
And you just shove it in there.
Just shove it. Yeah, shove it, that's what you do.
And then
it pops right out.
It pops right out.
Trained professional on this job.
There it is.
There it is. That's what you're pulling out. Hopefully you guys can see that. Because this has 3M, we're gonna have to keep it clean. So John is gonna use that rubbing alcohol.
Oh yeah.
Get it on there.
Get it on there real nice.
Real nice and wet. And then we're gonna rub the underside. Rub the underside, baby.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna just clean it up because like, watch.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, look at all that. You want to do it a couple times because that one first pass is not going to do much. The next step, we put on that 3M tape. You want to kind of bend over this flap. Don't cut that. You're going to use that to peel it once it's actually on there. And yeah, we'll get into it. There's a little trick to this. You want to put these push pins back through that factory hole, but leave about a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch, and that'll leave it so that way you can peel this off and give you a little bit of a gap to reach in there, because it does get a tight fit in there. But we have these all set up. Now we're going to go walk it over to the other side of the car, put in these push pins, and then do the nice peel, stick up, and drill some more holes. So we figured out why that one wasn't working. It's because John, not naming any names, but John, he he did not pull out the pin. So we were fighting against the push pin that was already in the hole. Yeah, he forgot to pull out. So now he's gonna go ahead, pull out the ones next to it, and that's why we put them in only a 1/4 and 1/8 inch in, or with a little bit of gap, because now he can just reach in there, pop that one out, and then we'll be all good to go. So that's a good point right there, that we could have just edited that out, but I want to leave all that stuff in there, leave it raw, show you guys the mistakes, because that's what car and working on cars is all about, is because you learn as you go. Not everyone has every answer right off the bat, so we learn from our mistakes, and now we're going to go ahead, put this thing on there. Oh yeah, there it is. So that's how it is without the push pins even pushed in all the way, which is exactly what you want. And then we'll reach under there, if I can find it, and we're just going to push all these up that little extra bit. So then there's also 5 other holes we'll have to drill, so you just use a 1/4 inch. Make sure you probably mark off about 1 inch and make the stopper right here, and then we're just going to drill those, put in 5 more push pins. What are your tips for drilling these holes? Take your time, or just send it, or
take
what?
Take your time, go slow, don't go crazy.
Yeah,
don't go crazy at all.
And then also make sure it's straight up and down.
Put it in the slowest speed.
Okay.
And then yeah, just
try to make it as straight up and down as possible.
Make sure your bit is straight. Don't drill in like this, or like a different angle, and then just take it slow.
Yeah, yeah, it doesn't take much. This is just plastic, so you'll see it just goes right in. And just like that, we use that little stopper, and that's why it stopped. The next piece, we have the Roush rears right here. So it's going to kind of follow along with the Roush all the way to the rear. Should fit up sort of like that. Nice and lined up on the edge. Just has it taped up so that way he knows where the holes are. You want to use the inner fender or inner bumper line as your guide. Don't really worry about the outside. And then, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and drill the holes, line it up, put the little J-clips on. Thing's going to be looking nice. I got to head out here pretty soon because traffic is going to be terrible. What do you think? Just do the first front and back and then just push it straight up, or you're going to do all of them?
I'll do all of them.
Alright, so all of them in there. And then we'll use pliers to kind of pull that red thing. Then that one and that one, and we're good to go. Boom. Now just be nice and straight, like push it straight up. And then finish up the screwing and you're good. It's literally that simple to add the Roush kit. So now Mom has the full kit. It's honestly a really good look because it's OEM plus. Not a fan too much of the Roush wing. I'm a big fan of the GT500 wing. I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. I'm gonna probably film a little cinematic of the other side, and then I'm gonna head out so that way I can try to beat the traffic, but probably not. So let's run the cinematic. Done. There's Mom's car, all nice and complete with the Roush lip. This thing was really easy. I mean, we did the Roush lip, we've done the side skirts at different times, but this whole kit can be done at the same time in probably a day. But it looks just so good. It's OEM plus, brings it all together, and honestly, It almost makes the car look a little lower. Yeah, mom's car's looking really nice right now. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. Probably do a little test on the freeway and make sure that it doesn't flop around and stuff. And but I don't think it will because we have so many push pins and bolts and 3M on there. I think we're gonna be A-okay. So if you guys enjoyed, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.